Hi there, students. Formidable. An adjective. I guess an adverb, formidably. And as a noun, formidability, formidableness. The noun I'm not so happy with. Okay, something that is formidable is something that makes you feel fear. It arouses fear or dread or alarm. The fortress looked formidable, difficult to undertake, difficult to surmount, difficult to defeat. A formidable opponent, a formidable challenge. So learning English is a formidable task, something that you should be a little bit afraid about, or at least have respect for it. Okay, so something that's difficult to overcome, something that's difficult to manage, yeah, something that makes you feel a little bit of fear. The enemy army was formidable. It was frightening, and clearly this was a serious challenge. You can also use formidable to mean awe-inspiring, something that makes you feel admiration or wonder. But still I feel in this slightly afraid way because it's so strong. He was a formidable man, of formidable abilities. Yeah, he had formidable prowess, very independent-minded. Yeah, so this is not somebody you should take on or somebody you should challenge. Okay, so formidable, causing fear or apprehension, having the qualities that discourage you approaching it or attacking it. Yeah, a formidable task. And then awe-inspiring, impressive. This was a formidable accomplishment. Few people would be able to accomplish something like that, and to me it would be alarming even to try it. Okay, so formidable, something that's causing you to have fear or respect because the thing is powerful, it's large, it's difficult. Yeah, so a formidable adversary, a formidable opponent, a formidable task, a formidable obstacle. Yeah, yeah. This area of the city is pretty formidable. You need to be careful. Yeah. Okay, so strong and powerful, and therefore difficult to deal with. In life there will always be formidable obstacles to overcome. Yeah, because they're going to be difficult and you need to respect them, to be wondrous about them. Yeah, or something that's difficult to defeat, difficult to overcome. Now, a couple of comments with this word. Firstly, the pronunciation. I say formidable, formidable. But many people say formidable. So it can either be formidable or formidable, as I say it. I think formidable, stress at the beginning, is probably slightly more common, but you can say it in both ways. It's something that's in the language that's in motion. And I find it quite ironic if you compare formidable in English with formidable in French, meaning something that's fantastic, something that's really good. It can also mean something to be afraid of in French, but mostly today formidable, fantastic, tremendous, a-okay. So we're looking in English at the opposite meaning. Okay, how formal is formidable? Well, it's not formidably formal. I would probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere, but it's a little bit on the more formal side. And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin through French. In Latin, formidabilis, meaning formidable or terrible. Formidio, or no, so formido, to fear or to dread. Okay, so I hope I've made the prospect of learning English a little bit less formidable for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Formidable.